Hare Krishna. Once again, welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with another Ekadashi special recipe. Today we will make Ekadashi special patties, which are healthy as well as yummy. So let's begin quickly. Here I have taken half cup of varai or sama rice. Let's wash it thoroughly to remove any kind of impurity. Similarly, we will wash it twice or thrice. The varai has been washed. Let's take a pan. Here I have taken 1.5 cup of water and now let it boil. After 5 minutes, let's check. The water has been boiled. Let's add the washed sama rice. Add senda salt or fasting salt as per taste. Mix it once. Cover the vessel and let the sama rice cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can see the sama rice has been cooked well. Mix it. Now we will let it cool. After half an hour, the sama rice has cooled completely. Next, take a mixing bowl, add the cooled varai or sama rice. Now add 2 boiled and cooled potatoes. Here I am going to add a small grated beetroot. Add fasting salt as per taste. Two tablespoons ginger chili paste. 2 teaspoons lemon juice. Half cup roasted and crushed peanuts. And 2 tablespoons coriander leaves. We have added all the ingredients. Let's mix all well and evenly. Make sure you add cool potatoes for making the mixture. I have listed down all the ingredients in the description box along with the Ekadashi special recipe playlist. Do not forget to visit it for more Ekadashi recipes. Our mixture is ready now and well mixed, as you can see. Now we will make patties. Here I have taken some oil. Apply it onto your palm and make the patties. If we apply oil on our palm, the mixture will not stick to our palm. I have given them a round shape, whereas you can give it any shape you like. Similarly, make all the patties. All our patties are ready. Here I have heated a pan for shallow frying the patties. Let's brush some oil on it. Now place the patties on the pan. I am shallow frying the patties here. If you want, you can deep fry them. Shallow fry them on medium flame. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you do not miss any of our recipes. Let's flip the patties. You can definitely use a spoon, but I am comfortable with hand. You can see the patties have been roasted from this side. In this recipe, we are using very little amount of oil. Similarly, the other side has also roasted well. Let's take them out. All our healthy patties are ready. Let's plate them. Now offer to Lord Jagannath by placing a tulsi leaf. Ekadashi patties are offered and ready. You can serve it with tomato chutney as well. For more Ekadashi special recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below. Happy Ekadashi! Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram.